Alright YouTube, what's going on? Train Guy K20 here. Pickering Goal. We've got a freight train. Oh shit. CT rail. 2139. Oh! 2139. 2035. 1407. Oh shit, ethanol! Oh, it's been a hell of a while. Wait, I think this might be 720. No. A female driver too, damn. Probably catch the entire train before it cuts off. Look at those cars! If I'm correct, I'm not sure. This might be CN710 or U720. I'm not sure. And there's its ending. Until next time. First freight train at Pickering Go, an amazing catch. Nice lash up. This came off a bear. I believe they're headed to Belleville. Until next time, YouTube, stay tuned for more action.